Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the apps and accounts you will color code so changes stick. Open Settings and confirm your iOS is up to date. This avoids hidden menu differences. Once done, enable the specific Mail or iCloud accounts under Settings right arrow Calendar right arrow Accounts so calendar entries sync. Then open the Calendar app and tap Calendars at the bottom. This shows each calendar and its current color. Make sure you can see all calendars before you change any colors. That prevents confusion later. You now assign colors deliberately because colors are how you scan schedules quickly. Tap the Info button next to a calendar in the Calendars list, then choose a built-in color. This instantly updates all events for that calendar. If you need a custom shade, make a contact or note with that color and copy it into the calendar color picker when available. This is a workaround on some iOS versions. Once done, create separate calendars for work, personal, and projects and give each a distinct color so events never blend. Finish by checking events and moving any that are miscolored. Open an event, tap Calendar, and select the correct calendar. This reassigns the color. If colors do not sync across devices, make sure Account Sync is enabled in Settings, then toggle it off and on. Sign out of the account and sign back in if necessary. If problems persist, force close the Calendar app and restart your device. One key troubleshooting tip: verify iCloud or account status on Apple's system page and wait a few minutes for server-side changes to propagate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.